Hello everyone, welcome to Journey to be the best version of ourselves. Today I will talk about Turkish get up, a timeless exercise that originating from an ancient Turkish wrestler. It is famous for coordination, core strength and stability. If you're ready, let's get started. For the Turkish get up exercise, we need some weights. We can use kettlebells, dumbbells. And if you want to work on the coordination, you can use some water bottles or any kind of tools that it's hard to maintain on the hand. So first I would like to show you the technique, what you need to do. I will show you on the left side. So if it starts from the left side, you raise your left arm, you bend your left knee, slightly open your right leg. This is your starting position. So initiate the movement, you do the sit up and lean on the right elbow. From here, extend your right arm and maintain the spine straight. Lift your hip and sweep your right knee close to the right arm. From here, you do the reverse windmill. From here, rise up. And the way you came back to this position, you go back. Back lunge, right elbow on the ground, move the right leg forward, hip down, elbow, and you go back. Now let's use the dumbbell. Let's do 2 reps on the left side, and after that we will do 2 reps with the kettlebell. Important thing when you are doing with the weight, make sure that you are not bending your elbow or you are not bending your wrist. These are the very important points. So your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder should be always intact, should be always locked. So let's have our starting position. From here, do the crunch, stay on the right elbow, extend your right arm, lift your hip, take your right knee back, reverse windmill, rise up, back lunge, we are going back, right leg goes forward, hip goes down, on the right elbow, and we go back. Let's do 1 more rep. Bend your left knee, sit up, on the right elbow, right arm, lift your hip, move your right knee back, reverse windmill, stand up. From here, back lunge, on the right arm, right leg goes forward, hip down, right elbow, and go down. Let's use the kettlebells. When we think about the Turkish get-up exercise, it can be very good warm-up exercise with the light weights. But when you are working with the heavy weights, at the same time it can be really good workout exercise as well. So as you see, when you are using kettlebells, you must always lock your wrist. It's because if you try to keep this wrist this position, it's very difficult to perform this exercise, and you may open injuries for this position. So always lock your wrist and your elbow. From here, we will do the same thing on the right arm raising. So we will first land on the left elbow, extend left arm, lift your hip, move your left leg back, reverse windmill, stand up. We will go back, back lunge, land on the left arm, move your left leg straight, move your hip down, land on left elbow, and go down slowly. Let's do 1 more rep together. Crunches, extend your left arm, lift your hip, move the left leg back, reverse windmill, stand up. Go back, left arm on the ground, move the left leg forward, left elbow, and finish. Now, as I told you, you can do this exercise for the coordination as well. So you can use some water bottles. I'm using this yoga blocks is because it's kind of difficult to just keep on the palm. Same rules is valid. You will keep the elbow locked and shoulder straight. You'll try to rise up gently. Try to not grab it. Even this is quite challenging. Slowly do the every movement very slowly. I'm still looking at the object, rising up, and going down, same way that I rise up. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that Turkish Get Up will help you to increase your core and overall strength. Thank you again. Have a good day.